Further, you have resolved that the state must immediately take up the cost or waive all medical bills of victims of police brutality, including journalists and the last expense costs of those who lost their lives. Today I went to the hospital, both Kenyatta Hospital and Bagathi Hospital, and I saw at first hand the police brutality. People who are unarmed and shot by the police on their groins, some in their stomachs, suffering at the hospitals. I know of a number of journalists who also were attacked and who are still hospitalized. And this is why what we are saying is a practice that must end. We have seen too much brutality since this Inspector General, Mr. Comey, took charge. It is even worse than the worst days of